So, ladies and gentlemen, we've got everything here. Finally, just double checked it. Well, except one thing. Missing my main bearings, but they're on back order. They should be here next week. Not a big deal. Got a billet double roller timing set from Summit. Got the level 2 Summit racing cam with beehive springs and yeah, the retainers and clips and all that stuff. And then in this box we got a new oil pump. Wanted to replace the oil pump just because metal and stuff went through the oil, so everything's getting replaced pretty much. The main seal kit there, some head gaskets, and then all my other gaskets on the block are sitting over there. They're all good and ready to go. Got rod bearings, got a main stud kit, got new cam bearings again. That's the second set of cam bearings I bought for this engine, but I'd rather replace them. Be safe than sorry. Right here we've got H-beam connecting rods with ARP 2000 series rod bolts. So excited about that. And then over here we've got, oh, and they're forged as well. Then over here we've got the Pro LS series flat top pistons with valve reliefs, forged. Some beefy bad boys go in there. Everything came with that. The rings and the wrist pin and the C-clips for the wrist pin. Everything came with that. The crank came like last week, so forged crank sitting over here. Then we've got head bolts up here that are good to go. So literally I'm just waiting on main bearings for this engine, and I'm going to take the rotating assembly, crank, piston, rods, bearings, all that stuff. I'm going to get it balanced, obviously, because this was not a balanced setup when they sent it to me. So I'm going to get it balanced. Can't wait to see what kind of power the old 6.0 can hold now. Can't wait to get this done and put it in the truck. I'm going to get a different set of heads for these 862 heads that I've got. They would do the job, don't get me wrong, but some of the bolt holes are starting to kind of, see if the camera will focus a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. Some of the bolt holes are starting to strip out a little bit, and I mean, I'd rather just replace them with some different used ones. Aluminum, obviously. But yeah, there we go. Everything's here. Except the main bearings, unfortunately, but that's okay. Well, I guess you guys will see me put it together here soon. Hopefully. See you later.